sa Season 3 ng SBA at of course may mga kailangan natin set of conditions nga pala para pumasok niya sa ating team, especially yung mga nasa Visayas, Mindanao o Luzon that they are interested to play.
Yes, actually, we have one inquiry who wants to be a team owner, but this team owner is from abroad, no? So I don't know kung I think he's gonna come here sa Philippines at mag-migrate na siya dito sa Mindanao. There is also one party who's interested in buying the Makati Titans, no? Dahil sa pangalan ng Makati. So let's see. But for next season, we are capping it at 8 teams. We will not add any more than that. So it's either we retain 6 or we become 8 teams max.
And lastly, nakita naman natin our SBA players are dominating hindi lamang sa mismong SBA but in international stage like sina Jonas Magpantay at ang iba pa si Jericho Banyares. Nakita naman natin na may potential ba yung ating mga SBA players, iba pa mga SBA players aside kay Magpantay na may chance o may potential sila na makapag-compete sa international stage.
Yes, definitely. I think most of our players from our teams, no, na naglalaro na sa international stage at tama ka, nagdo-dominate sila. Players like si Tantan from our Quezon City team, sa MSW naman sila Raga rin nandyan, sa Stallions si Jericho. So we have a wide variety of very good players sa roster ng mga teams natin. So very confident ako sa kanila pag nag-a-upload.
Sorry, I was going to add one more thing to that, which is it's great that our players will compete and win championships, but another thing that we really want to do for our players is to help them gain more exposure. So after last year's first season, we had 2 or 3 players who got their first international sponsorships because of the exposure that they received from SBA. And we're very proud of that. And we hope to continue to do that for our players in the future.